What's up, yeah? I got some products that I gotta show y'all today. Yeah, I'm working. I'm working. I got some products I gotta show y'all today to see if anyone is interested in maybe purchasing some of these products. And I will be showing love to some of my people with some of these products. So whatever I get, I also share with other people. So if you support my link, I get to support other people. This is how this works. So today I will, let me see how many products I'm debuting today. I'm promoting today. This is the first one that we'll be opening. I'm excited. I'm actually going to keep this one because I want to start getting into gardens because I'm cooking. I'm a chef 7, 8, 9 years in the restaurant industry. These hands have been flipping a lot of pans. These hands has washed a lot of dishes. These hands have been hurt washing dishes. These hands have been hurt by oil. I got burned. These hands have been through a lot. You wouldn't think these hands been through a lot, but these hands have been through a lot. And these hands also lose things. When I lose something, if I put something somewhere and I can't remember where I put it, I blame these hands, all right? These hands get things lost. This is very therapeutic doing stuff like this because the stuff that I do is very heavy on the mind and heavy on the heart. So I'm just, putting y'all on to products that TikTok sent me and I promoted. People might want to buy it, who knows, but so let's get into this first one. I never had anything like this. This is new to the boy from the hood. What type of seeds should I get? I like basil. I like hot pepper, like Scott bonnet pepper. I like spicy food. So tell me what type of seeds the boy can get, all right? So this is 12. It said 12 pods. So that means I can plant 12 different things. It helps with my mental because I see a lot of chaotic stuff. So doing stuff like this is therapeutic. I like this. So this is what comes when you get yours. This is what's gonna come in there, right? If I didn't like it, I would have been giving this out to one of y'all. One of y'all would have got this. I gave away an air fryer yesterday. Yesterday I gave away an air fryer. The other time, the week before that, I gave away a tumbler. So yeah, I be giving away stuff, y'all, because I'm all about caring and sharing. So fam, you can see you got a manual that comes with it. If you know how to grow garden, you might not need this. But me, I'm a beginner, so I might have to read all this stuff. All right, let's open it up. Let's see what it look like. I'm glad some of y'all like unboxing. All right, so this is what it looked like. So if you live in like a environment like me, you don't live in a house, you live in like an apartment building, and you want to have your own garden, you can get this right here. But how does it open? Because the boy is known for breaking stuff. When I got this, I didn't know how to open it, and I thought it was something like you turn. No, this is how you open it. You just lift it up, all right? It lifts up. See, I'm gonna hold it down. Whoops. See, but it lifts up from the back, all right? I pull on it too hard, so I hope I didn't break it. Doesn't seem like it's broken. All right, so you get it. That's all you have to do. And then this is what we have, our first small garden. And you can see we have the stuff that comes with it. We have more stuff that comes with it. might open that up just to see what's inside of it. So we have more stuff. Okay, so let's see. I'm excited for my first garden, y'all. Oh, I'm excited. Let's see what's in here. Let's open this box up. We have plant food. Okay, so we got food for the plant. The stuff that's gonna feed us, we gotta give it food too, right? Just like with anything else. We have more plant food. Okay. I'm really excited with my first plant, yeah. I just don't know. And in here, this is where the adapter is. Okay. This is the adapter right here that comes with it. Okay. We have more stuff. This right here, it says the seeds are not included. Oh, ouch. Seeds are not included, so I have to get my own seeds, y'all. So just know that when you get this, you got to buy your own seeds, all right? So I'm going to set this up, and we're going to see what it looks like. Get some seeds. Hopefully I can get some seeds today. Okay, my first garden, y'all. My first ever garden. My garden journey has just begun. Happy Saturday to everyone. That's a nice looking travel bag. Yeah, it looked nice on the picture, so let's see what it looked like in person. So you see, this is all that comes with it. I know somebody out there gonna need this. All right, so you got this nice thing. It's like a carrying bag you could put it in, stuff like that. Help the boy out. Y'all know what this is. But yeah, they represent what I represent too, love. They represent love, and I'm all about love, so that's what's up. Okay, let's open it up and see what we have over here. Oh, it's a nice, oh wow, it's nice, right, fam? Somebody out there is gonna be really grateful, right, with this bag, because you know people always looking for bag in a struggle. So you can see it's the black one. Let's open it up. It's really big. Yeah, it's nice, right? I'm showing y'all the compartments of it. Damn, you can put so many things in this joint. Got this. Oh, I might do a giveaway with this one. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I might do a giveaway with this bag, y'all. Or I might just, I don't know. But it's a really nice bag. All right, see, you got this bag. Because that's what a lot of times that's what I do with these samples when I get it and I don't need it, I'll give it to somebody else. See what if it comes with anything else. Yeah, definitely agree, Jamie. It's really nice. All right, so y'all have seen this bag, what it looked like. It's nice. It comes in different colors, not just black. You got different compartments. So, damn, these pockets is huge. All right, so let's close this back up. So let's see which one is this. When somebody hurts you, is there a time limit on when that pain should go away? Mattress topper. So this is going to be, it feels really good, y'all. Wow. It's really comfortable. Yeah. It's nice, fam. Do I need to say any more? Yeah, this is definitely worth it. All right, fam, I have to do, when they send me these things, I have to do a video or go live If you don't, then your account go into a status where it's bad and nobody will want to send you anything again. So you have to do a video for them or go live and talk about it. So the next thing I want to bring to your attention is this one right here. It came broke. Mine's came broke, and I told the seller that it was broken. So this is real wax. It is real wax. I can feel it. And it comes with a remote. This is the remote. And it comes with a charger. It might be something you might want to get for your child room. So let's plug it in and see. All right, so you plug it in from the bottom. See the charging piece right there. I'm gonna put it in my charging dock so we can see what it look like. So they got different designs. They got St. Patrick. So let me turn the light off, all right? I might turn the light off so we can be able to see it better. But it's really nice in the nighttime, and you got the remote. You can make it go faster. You can make it go slower. You can set it for how many hours you want it to be on. Then it automatically goes off by itself. But it's really nice. When you're having a bad day, you come and turn your lights and everything on. It makes you feel better, you know. I'll give these away to some people. Let me turn the light back on because it got dark for a second. Okay, we got the light back on. So the next thing I have is these two battery chargers. All right, so we're going to get into this one first. This one is awesome. This is it right here. My phone dies a lot, and I struggle sometimes with other external chargers, but this one came in, and I love it. You can put it in an Android, and then you can also put it on the iPhone, and you can also connect other devices to it too. So you can have 4 devices charging on this one thing. 4 devices. Get into the last one. The last one is the same thing, but the only difference is with this one, it doesn't have any cords. It comes like that. But I think it comes with a charging cord. This right here, the cool thing about this is if I wasn't using my phone right now, I will show you. This sticks on the back of your phone. It's like a magnet. So as soon as you go like this, bloop, it sticks on your phone. So you can be walking with your phone with this on the back of your phone, and it's charging your phone. This is really cool. I really love this. You don't have to hold any. With this one right here, you got to hold this one. This one sticks onto the phone right there. You gotta, with the case on, you don't have to take your case off or anything. Just leave your case on and it sticks right on. So yeah, these 2 items, fam, if you're looking for external batteries, pieces, use my link and you'll save on it. All right. Shout out to all y'all for watching this unboxing. I think that's all I have to show. All right, so fam, thank y'all so much for your time, and enjoy the rest of your weekend, and don't be bitter, be better, and we out there. Peace out.